Hey everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious enchiladas verdes. Normally people add chicken to their enchiladas verdes, but I prefer refried beans and onion. Cheers. For this recipe, we're going to start off by making the salsa for the enchiladas. To my pot, I'm going to add 1 pound of tomatillo milpero, 2 garlic cloves, 2 jalapeños, and 2 chiles de árbol. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Turn on the stove and set the heat to medium-high. We let them cook for about 5 minutes. Make sure you don't overcook your tomatillos because they can get bitter. It's been 5 minutes. Our veggies are ready. I'm gonna transfer everything into the blender. And I'm gonna use 1 cup of water from where we boiled the vegetables. We then add 1/4 of a small white onion, small bunch of cilantro, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, and salt to taste. And now we blend. We transfer it into a bowl and set it to the side. Next, I'm using half of a white onion that I'm gonna chop into smaller pieces. And I'm gonna grate 10 ounces of Cotija cheese. Once the cheese is grated, we set it to the side and we start refrying our beans. I set my pan on low-medium heat and I'm gonna add some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm gonna add the beans and I'm using 2 pounds of Peruano beans. Once they boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, we start mashing them. Remember, you can mash your beans as much as you like, and this is the consistency that I like. They're now ready. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and now we can start frying our tortillas. I've set my pan on low-medium heat, and I'm gonna add some oil. Once it's hot, we start frying. And we begin by dipping our tortilla in the salsa. We're only gonna fry for a few seconds on each side. And you continue doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. Now we can start preparing our enchiladas. I'm gonna add some beans, onion, some cheese, and we roll it up. We continue doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. Add some beans, onion, cheese, and roll it up. With these ingredients, you can make about 30 enchiladas. I like to add more salsa, more cheese, and some Crema Mexicana. Honestly, if you haven't made these, you need to try them. They're so good. Okay guys, moment of truth. But honestly, I was already eating because I was waiting for my cameraman. So, cheers. Honestly, these are the best. They're so delicious, super soft, and the beans, perfect. And there you have it, delicious enchiladas verdes. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.